What are the first signs of a cold in children? Spotting them early can help manage symptoms more effectively. When the seasons change, so does the likelihood of catching a cold, especially among children. The initial signs might seem innocuous, but are the first clues to act upon. Typically, a cold in children begins with frequent sneezing, a clear indicator that their body is trying to rid itself of viral particles. This is often accompanied by a runny or stuffy nose, making breathing a bit of a challenge for the little ones. Alongside these symptoms, a mild cough may develop. It's the body's way of clearing the airways, but it's gentle enough not to cause alarm yet. However, there are subtler signs that might not be as easily recognized. A low-grade fever can occur, often just enough to signal that the body is fighting off an infection. Irritability and a decreased appetite can also manifest, as children are generally less likely to express how they feel in clear terms. Recognizing these signs promptly sets the stage for timely and effective management of the cold. Now that you know the signs, how do you effectively manage these symptoms? When children come down with a cold, it's crucial to address their discomfort with care. Over-the-counter remedies play a significant role, but it's essential to choose wisely. Saline nasal drops are a gentle option that helps clear nasal congestion. For a cough, child-specific syrups can provide relief, but always consult a pharmacist or doctor to ensure these are suitable for your child's age and health condition. Beyond medications, home remedies often come to the rescue. Honey is a natural soother for coughs, but remember, it's only for children over 1 year due to the risk of botulism in younger infants. Warm fluids like chicken soup can also comfort and hydrate your child while helping to ease congestion. Adding a humidifier to your child's room can increase air moisture, which helps soothe irritated tissues and loosens mucus. However, don't underestimate the power of rest and hydration. Ensuring your child gets plenty of sleep is critical in the battle against the cold virus. Sleep aids in the recovery process and strengthens the immune system. Similarly, keeping your child well hydrated helps thin the mucus, making it easier to expel and ultimately relieving congestion. Opt for water, diluted fruit juices, or warm broths. With these expert-recommended solutions, managing your child's cold symptoms can be less stressful for both you and your child. Prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to colds in children. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most effective defenses against the common cold: regular hand washing. It's not just about splashing some water on the hands. It involves thorough cleaning with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This routine can flush away germs that children easily pick up from toys, doorknobs, and other surfaces. Encouraging this habit can dramatically decrease the likelihood of cold viruses spreading. Moving on, the pillars of good health cannot be overlooked when it comes to prevention. Adequate sleep, a nutritious diet, and regular physical activity are crucial. Ensuring that children get enough sleep rejuvenates their body, which is vital in fighting off infections. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential vitamins and minerals that boost the immune system. Meanwhile, physical activity stimulates the circulation of immune cells in the body, making it easier to combat pathogens before they cause harm. Lastly, let's talk about vaccinations, such as the flu shot. While primarily targeting influenza, these vaccinations can also help prevent other illnesses that might compound or be confused with cold symptoms. It's a shield not just against the flu, but also helps in keeping the overall health of children robust, indirectly aiding in the prevention of colds. Adopting these preventive measures can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of colds in children. To wrap up, managing and preventing colds in children involves a proactive approach. Let's recap the essential strategies discussed. First, recognizing the early signs of a cold is critical. Symptoms like a runny nose, cough, and mild fever should alert caregivers to take necessary action. Next, we delved into effective solutions for managing these symptoms. This includes a balanced mix of medical advice and home remedies, such as ensuring adequate hydration, rest, and the use of saline nasal drops or humidifiers to ease breathing. Furthermore, the adoption of preventive measures cannot be overstated. Regular hand washing, maintaining a healthy diet, and ensuring children get enough sleep are foundational steps that help fortify their immune system against common colds. Importantly, While these guidelines provide a robust framework, the uniqueness of each child's health condition means consultation with a healthcare provider is crucial. They can offer personalized advice and treatment options tailored specifically for your child. Remember, when in doubt, always seek professional advice to ensure the best care for your child's health.